So, hi everyone, how are you? I hope everybody is doing great. So, yeah, guys, ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about those twinkling lights? Yeah, you're about to find out. Welcome to Daily Dose of Learning in 10 minutes, where we make concepts easy and exciting. In this video, we'll be diving into the first chapter of your Class 6 NCERT textbook that's called The Earth in the Solar System. In just 10 minutes, we'll unravel the mysteries of planets, stars, our moon, and our place in the vast cosmos. We'll explore everything from why Earth is called the blue planet to unlocking the secrets of the stars. Get ready for a fun cosmic journey that will change how you see the sky above. So let's launch into the learning, guys. Okay, let me just share my screen. I hope you can see my screen. Yeah, okay. So today we are going on an amazing adventure far beyond our classrooms. We'll explore the twinkling lights in the night sky and uncover the secrets of our incredible universe. So let's move on. Mysteries above us. Imagine lying on a soft blanket on a cool, clear night. You look up and see countless tiny, twinkling diamonds scattered across a vast canvas. Some are bright, some are dim. This is our first glimpse into the universe. But have you ever wondered what are those tiny dots? Why do some shine steadily while others twinkle? Where does the moon go during the day? Today, we are going to become cosmic detectives and solve these mysteries. The player in the night sky. So, everything we see in the sky, the sun, the moon, the twinkling dots, are all called celestial bodies. These are the actors on a giant stage of the universe. But not all actors are the same. Let's meet some of them. So the first one is the superstars. That is, yes, the stars. Some celestial bodies are incredibly hot and giant ball of gas. They produce their own light and heat, like giant cosmic power stations. They are called the stars. Our very own sun, our very own sun is a star. It looks huge, bright only because it is closest to us. All those other twinkling dots, they are sun of their own, just unimaginably far away. Okay, now let's come to the second player in the sky, the reflectors, the planets. Now, some celestial bodies are much cooler. They have no light of their own. Instead, they reflect the light from the nearest star. These are the planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word wanderer because they constantly move against the backdrop of stars. We live on a planet called Earth. It gets all its light and warmth from the sun. Get it? Okay, let's move on to the next topic. So yeah, this interesting activity. Let's do it. So why can't we see stars during the day? Have you ever wondered why we can see stars at night only? It's all because of our superstar, the sun. During the day, the sunlight is so bright that it makes the sky look blue and hides the fainter lights from distant stars. Imagine a dark room with tiny glow in the dark sticker that you can see on the screen right now. You can see them clearly, right? But if someone turns on a very bright flashlight, those stickers seems to disappear, right? That's what a sun does to the stars. Okay, the next, the solar system, our cosmic home. Our sun isn't alone. We have already discussed it. There are countless uh, stars in the universe. It has a family of 8 planets, our sun, their moons, and other small objects that are forever tied to it by gravity. Gravity is some concept that we'll be studying in like future classes in science. So this entire family is called the solar system. Sol means the sun. Let's meet the family members in order of their distance from the sun. We have a fun sentence to remember this. That is, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So this is how you can remember it. Okay, moving on, the Earth, the Goldilocks planet. So what is so special about our planet, that is Earth? Because it's just right. It's not too hot like Mercury, the closest to this planet, like the closest planet to the sun, and not too cold like Neptune, the farthest from the sun. So our Earth has something amazing that other planets don't. That is liquid water. It also has an atmosphere with oxygen, which is what we need to breathe. These are the perfect condition for life to exist, making our planet truly unique in our solar system. And yeah, some might say in the whole universe. So because the search is already begun. From space, Earth looks blue because of its vast oceans. So it's often called the blue planet as well. Isn't that cool, guys? Okay, moving on. So the moon, the Earth's natural satellite. The Earth has a loyal companion that constantly revolves around it, the moon. It's the natural satellite. Basically, it's an object that orbits a planet. Okay, that's why it's called a natural satellite. So why do we only see one side of the moon? This is an interesting question. So think, okay, let me explain that. So moon takes about 27 days to spin once on its axis, like a top, to complete one revolution around the Earth as well. Because these two movements take almost the same amount of time, the same side of the moon is all like always facing us, like this. You can see with an example of this, your friend is here and you are here, you're moving like this. It's like walking in a circle around your friend while facing them. So no matter where you are in the circle, they only see your face ever. So the moon has no air or water. Its surface is covered with mountains, plains, craters caused by asteroids hitting it long, long, long ago. Okay, let's move on to the next one then. Space leftovers, asteroids and meteoroids. So our solar system isn't just planets and moon. It has cosmic crumbs as well. So what is asteroid then? The space rock. Okay, let me explain. So between Mars and Jupiter, there's a belt of rocky leftovers from when the solar system was formed. These are called asteroids. Think of them as construction debris of our solar system. Some are very wide, some are very small. Look, the size depends. Okay, now let's talk about meteoroids. These are also called the shooting stars. Sometimes smaller pieces of rock break off from asteroid, the thing that we just talked, fly through the space. These are meteoroids. When they enter Earth's atmosphere, they burn up due to friction, creating a spectacular streak of light we call a shooting star. So if a piece survives and hits the ground, it's called a meteoroid. So that's the difference between meteoroid and meteorite. Okay, so let's move on then. So yeah, our cosmic address. Now let's zoom out even further and discover our place in the universe. So you are right now at this place in front of the screen. That's right. You are basically the cosmic center of this journey, right? So where are you? You are on Earth. And where is Earth? Earth is in the solar system. And we have talked about it. What where is our solar systems? Our solar system is inside the Milky Way galaxy. So yeah, Milky Way galaxy, the entire solar system is just a tiny part of this much, much larger city of stars called a galaxy. On a very clear night, it looks like a faint white river flowing through across the sky. In Hindi, we call it Akash Ganga because of this very same reason. And everything that you see around you, including yourself, is the part of the universe. So the universe is basically the most mind-blowing part. There are billions of such galaxies with each with billions of stars in the universe. Universe is everything that exists, all of space, time, matter, energy. It's basically endless. So okay, guys, so now let's wind up. And yeah, this is our cosmic detective summary. So let's see what we have discovered in today's session. So we got to learn about what's the difference between a star and a planet. Stars make their own light, planets reflect it. And what is unique about Earth? It has conditions that support life, unlike any other planet that we know so far, like water and oxygen. And our galaxy name is the Milky Way, or we call it Akash Ganga in Hindi. One side of the moon, why are we able to see only one side of the moon? Because it spins and orbits at the same speed, always showing us the same phase. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you are not just looking at pretty lights. You are looking at your neighborhood, your city, your universe. You are totally a citizen of the cosmos. So, thank you guys. So, let's meet in the next session in which we'll be covering the next topic then. Bye bye. Have a nice day.